afternoon from a very windy Ocean Beach in South Shields.
It is. We had to just come and sit down out of the way because it's so windy and really busy in there.
Inside, couldn't hear ourselves.
I know.
Yeah, we'll get in shortly. Yeah, Ocean Beach actually did this twice last year, obviously for the brilliant Ice Jet, which is still here this season.
Yes.
One of our favourites.
Thinking maybe obviously they'll keep it here and then maybe they'll travel it to like Hull or Goose Fair.
Yeah, I don't know. I'm not sure how long it's here this season, but it is back, along with breakdance, which Stacey will be getting on. Yeah, and new for this year as well is Speed Buzz. Not the Speed Buzz you did the other week. You love that ride.
I did it last night, twice.
Oh, you did it last night, didn't you? Yeah, Speed Buzz the booster, which you're going to get on, aren't you?
I can't believe now, this weather's just so weird. Now it's really sunny, isn't it?
I know it is. I said it was going to rain, and
we've had nothing. I'm really warm now.
Yeah, obviously, if you haven't seen last week's vlog, we were at the Chesterley Street Fair just then, like literally 20 minutes ago. So that was good, getting on Power Surge, wasn't it?
I really enjoyed it. Yeah. It's just nice to be back here. Like, we do like Ocean Beach, and I just think it's got so much better over the years.
Yeah, absolutely. With the additions, obviously.
If you remember, about 4 years ago,
there wasn't a lot, was there?
We came, and I'm not even joking, it was in the summer and it was dead, but it's good to see people out and about and enjoying themselves.
Yeah, exactly. We'll probably get up and make a move inside now then. What do you want to do first? Get on Ice Jet. Yeah.
Should we get an Ice Jet?
Yeah, let's
start
do
off
it.
with our favourite ride here.
Yeah, one of the best flat rides in the country. Ice Jet's brilliant.
It's something as well which I like that you can get on. Do you know what I mean?
I don't mind it.
It's not something
it's not too intense, but it's always great fun. So we'll head there first. And yeah, Ocean Beach. Also for this year is the ghost train's been renovated.
But
it's indoors, so it's closed at the minute.
It'll be open
but I'll show you. Yeah, I'll show you the outside of it. Yeah. Anyways, we'll get to Ice Jet. Right, we're back on Ice Jet. Rocking, excited.
Oh, I love this ride.
And it's so good. We've just seen it go around so fast.
Spring break is there.
Yeah, you've got spring break, Dodgem, pirate ship. There's all sorts here for all of the family.
As well, isn't it?
Yeah, brilliant atmosphere. Right, we'll wait till it gets going. Take you on. Huge thanks to Beth and Terence for the ride as well. Actually, I think it might be going, or they're loading them up. Wait till it gets going. Do Ice Jet. Here we go. Always takes a little bit to warm up, doesn't it? And then it goes so crazy. We love it.
And it's like that you can come on with me.
I know. I'm like immune to Ice Jet. I always have a good ride on it. Swing.
The sun's coming out as well, finally.
I don't know what the weather's doing. It said it was going to rain.
I know.
We will rock you. We are getting rocked. Yeah, Ice Jet, £3. Actually, I don't think I've mentioned, if you don't know, Ocean Beach run on the fun cards, where you just top up and pay as you go, and it's like £1 per point basically, so it's 3 points or £3. Here we go! Gathering speed now! Whoa! Whoa! Oh, brilliant!
Oh, so cool! It's the crying
Hey, you always get the
again.
crying baby! We had him on the Sizzler back in Chester Street. Yeah, you can't beat the atmosphere of an amusement park or a fun fair.
Everyone's screaming!
Oh!
Where's he gone?
Oh!
Oh my God!
Oh! Oh God, slowing down.
And then back.
Scream if you want to go faster.
God, nearly 3 minutes.
Want to go faster.
Brilliant. Such a good cycle, isn't
Oh,
it?
it's not over.
It's not over yet, Tom.
I thought we were coming up
Oh,
there.
not yet. No.
Just gearing us up for the ending. Whoa.
Oh, come music.
Yeah.
Oh, brilliant.
Whoa.
Amazing, isn't it? So good.
It's my favourite flat in the UK. Whoa. Everything about it, the lighting. Whoa. The theme of the ice. Missing the polar bears out the front, we noticed. Whoa.
To see your name, with a really on team.
Yeah, coming, slowing down now. 4 minutes. Oh, brilliant.
No, we're going
No,
fast now.
it's not.
It's not over yet.
Oh my God. Apparently we're going backwards.
Here we go.
Ah. I forgot you go backwards.
So like obviously come on it, you get such a long
I know.
cycle. How many minutes now?
4.5 minutes.
Wow. Oh, I love it backwards. And half of my hair's going everywhere.
Ah. Whoa. Ah. It's intense backwards. Yeah. Oh. Oh. No! Whoa!
I think I'm so much this weekend, haven't I?
Yeah. Oh. Oh.
I'm gonna say last night, when today, when the
Oh, I'm starting to feel it now. We're going backwards then. Oh, God. Brilliant. Over 5 minutes. Get yourselves an ice jet. Right, it's come off ice jet. Brilliant,
on
isn't
that
it?
ages, weren't
Yeah.
we?
Probably the longest cycle we've had on it. It's so good.
We were just speaking to Tom and Stace, and then just asking what the plans are. Is he going to stay, obviously, at Ocean Beach? He was saying he's a bit unsure about obviously, like Goose and stuff, because they're still having meetings.
Yeah,
not going to go ahead.
The Nottingham Council haven't confirmed if it can go ahead.
That's the thing, isn't it? It's hard for people to make plans, and then obviously with Boris yesterday, we just don't know what's going to happen this summer.
I know.
Wait and see.
We'll see. Sure we'll all find out soon enough. Hopefully all restrictions can be lifted 21st of June. Comment down below what you think. Yeah, just walking around. Thought I'd quickly show you the facade for the ghost train. Well, I say ghost train, it wasn't much of a ghost train, was it? It used to be called Ghost Hunt, if I recall.
Zombie.
Now it's got Zombie. Yeah, looking pretty good. Certainly better than what it was.
It's a lot better than before, isn't it?
Shame we can't get on it. I know, I'd love to do it, but obviously dark rides can't open until Monday.
Yeah, we would have come next weekend, but we're going to Blackpool.
Yeah, we're at Pleasure Beach.
And we're doing Southport on the Sunday.
Yeah.
So we'll be able to get on stuff there, won't we?
Yeah,
we'll definitely come back.
Yeah, we do Ocean Beach every year, so we'll certainly come back next year and take you on Zombie. Yeah, just topped up our fun card. You're not allowed in the arcade at the minute, so they have an outdoor booth. It's basically £1 per credit, and the card is free if you spend over £10. So we worked out how much we needed. Stacey's going to go on the booster and of course breakdance, which is 3 credits, which again, brilliant value. Hey, what do you fancy doing first, breakdance, or should we get you on Speed Buzz?
I'm on Speed Buzz.
Doing Speed Buzz, yeah?
Yeah, I'm on
Right, take you on. Let's go.
Instantly check your balance and see what riding deals you've been on. Remember, the more fun card credits you buy, the more bonus credits you receive. Lost cards can be cancelled on the app.
Here we go on Speed Buzz. Here we go. And this previously used to be in Denmark. Oh God, here we go. Oh my God, here we go again! Oh, here we go! Here we go!
Right, Stacey's just come off the Speed Buzz booster. Enjoy yourself.
Fun.
Yeah, little short though, wasn't it?
It's a little bit short. Obviously I can go back on it if I want.
Yeah.
I would just want to go on the breakdance.
Yeah, time for breakdance. And then the sun's out. We were actually thinking of doing the log flume. It was so fun, wasn't it?
We loved it last time.
We went on it with Tom Barnes. We took him here a few weeks after we came in July, but we didn't actually do a vlog, so we haven't got a POV of that.
Oh, so I wanna get
Should we
on
do
it.
that? Yeah.
I'm gonna go on breakdance
Right.
first.
Get you on breakdance, and then yeah, we'll end the vlog with the log flume, which is in the corner. It's brilliant.
Right.
I know, it's so sunny. Where's this rain? Right, breakdance time.
Right, here we go on the breakdance. Just managed to get on there just before it set off. Oh. Woo! I just remember last time this was amazing. Oh. and you guys. Obviously, I've been on so much this weekend. Obviously, last night I was at Catterick, Garrison. It'll be finished now by the time this vlog comes out, but I went to the Murphy's Fair there, and Speed Buzz was there. As you know, I love anything spinny and fast, and Tom hates it. Oh!
Do you want to go faster?
Yes!
Okay, hold tight.
Here we go. Ah! Oh! Oh my God! Ah! Oh my God! Ah! Oh! Now this is a good cycle as well. Been on this like nearly 3 minutes. An ice jet earlier was 5. I bet this looks absolutely amazing at night. Oh, I thought it was slowing down. It's gone, speeding back up again. Oh, ah! Oh my God, it's gone fast. Ah! Oh, oh, ah! Oh, 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 I'm starting to feel a bit sick now. Ah! Ah! Oh, 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 oh. There's a little girl on this ride, bless her. Oh, she's loving it. Oh. I don't know. I think this is the end now. I think. Oh, I'm still going. I'm still going. I'm still. Oh, oh, oh my God. Oh, oh. Oh, I'm still spinning.
Stacey's just come off the excellent breakdance. Well, I wouldn't know, I've never been on it, but
I love it.
judging off your reaction.
Amazing.
Yeah.
So good. Yeah. I thought it was slowing down at one point and then it just sped up really, really fast.
Another really long cycle, wasn't it?
4 minutes 20 on that one.
Yeah. And £3.
Like I think here, like ice jet and the breakdance, they're the best, aren't they? The best.
Yeah, I'd say so. Yeah. They fit in quite a lot in this short, small space, Miami. There's actually 3 creds as well. We've done them all. Ice jet, and then you've got the booster.
I'm starting to feel a little bit sick now.
Oh, yeah.
I've been on so much like, over the weekend. I was just saying on the ride then.
Well, we'll end the day nice and easy on a log flume, get a little splash.
You've actually been on the phone today, haven't you? Deciding about our trip to Texas.
I have, yeah. Well, our Manchester flight was cancelled, and then we're unsure what to do really.
Obviously, with the borders being shut, I don't think we're going to get to. Well, we're not going to get to America in June.
No.
So I think we're going to change it to September, aren't we?
We're thinking about it, yeah. Quite a few people we know are doing trips in September, and it seems to be, hey, vlog bomb. It seems to be the time to go really. I mean, I think the summer months are too soon, but comment below what you think the situation will be towards September, October time.
Well, if we go in September as well, we get the Texas state fair and Halloween event.
Exactly, so
that's quite a pack.
loads of positives to go that time of the year.
Not as hot as well.
Yeah. Well, yeah. We'll see.
What happens.
We'll see. I think it might be too hot in the summer months anyways in Texas.
Like, wherever we go, we're going to appreciate it.
Yeah, we are.
And if not, we'll just have a staycation in the UK, won't we?
That's it, yeah. Yeah, I'll show you the Apple coaster. We've been there on that. And of course, Crash Test, which has been here a while. We've been on that as well. Oh, right,
I'm hungry now.
I'm starving, I know.
I can't wait for our food. I mentioned it in the previous vlog. We're getting something, can't we, from like a pub takeaway.
Yeah, we've never been. Nice to try new places.
Nice lasagna and a nice burger tonight.
Yeah. And so towards the back of the park you've got Spring Break. Yeah, and a few children's rides, and there is a Sizzler and a Waltzer as well, so loads, and Dodgems, loads rides here.
If you come here for the first time.
Yeah. Right, should we go on the log flume then? This way around. And then yeah, we will get going.
Please respect social distancing during your
So cute.
Always keep to the left of walkways and rides, and also
Yeah, there's the entrance or exit to the park.
You can come
Nice and quiet around here.
You can come into it.
Yeah, you can.
It's quieting down now, but they did say it
Log
came
flume.
up because if it's weather's good, then they'll stay open a bit longer.
Yeah, well, it's very sunny tonight. Let's get wet.
Right, no one is coming on the log flume, and I wonder why. I'm right at the front. I never go at the front either.
I'm surprised you've agreed to it, to be honest.
Yeah, only because I know that I'm going back to the car. And I might as well.
The drops are always the wettest.
Yeah, I'm not really that bothered. Like I said to you before though, if I'm out and it's warm, I'm not really that bothered. It's like when you freeze and you don't want to get soaked on it, do you? Oh look! This is one of my favourite animals. It is. Yeah. I really want to go back to Orlando. I am. Ah! I've already got wet. Oh God, I don't want to get soaked. No, I don't want to. Ah! 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 Oh! I was about to swear then. Oh, I've got it, yeah.
I'm alright.
I don't know if you can see on my legs there. Good job these ain't see-through. Yeah, I had to get there. I got wet on that bit. You can see on my legs there. look what a lovely night is. Here we go. Oh God. Oh my God, I'm absolutely Tom, I'm soaked. I'm gonna cry. Oh my God, I actually am. I'm tripping. Like, oh my God, so bad.
Ah, the log flume, I'm soaked. Stacey got it worse though. Bless her. Bit wet.
I'm soaking. Oh, never mind, it's just a bit of fun.
Yeah, good fun. Always good fun, a log flume.
Remember when we went to Orlando, was it 4 or 5 years ago? What did we keep going on?
Popeye.
We
You've
went
got
on
to,
it about
don't you?
5 times and I was dripping head to toe and I didn't care. I was just like...
Yeah, best rapids in the world, Popeye, I
At the end
think.
of the day, my hair's wet. Never mind.
I think we're done. We're starving. Yeah, we've had a great day here at Ocean Beach. Quietening down a little bit now, actually, as well.
It's such a fun weekend, though.
Yeah.
Like, even though we've obviously been here before, it's just good to get back, isn't it?
Yeah, it's always good to get back. So we come like once or twice a year. If you haven't seen the vlog from last week at Chesterley Street, check it out. Power surge, fun, wasn't it?
Yeah, it's there.
We've done loads today.
The 6th of June.
Yeah.
You'll still be able to get down.
And then some great rides here at Ocean Beach. What was your favourite break dance? Or not?
No, I said dinner before, like break dance and ice jet, they're definitely the best.
They're the best two. They're both really good. Obviously, I've only done ice jet, so I'll say my favourite is ice
You need
jet.
to go on the break.
I know.
You need to.
Maybe next time, we'll see. We're leaving now. We've actually just parked across the road somewhere. There's free parking just across
free
there.
parking over here.
Yeah, and obviously they've got all the fish and chips and
It's so quiet now, isn't
sweet
it?
stalls. It is
Down low.
quiet and right down. Do you know what time they're open till?
It just said when he spoke on the thing, he just said they were open until like basically it gets quiet.
Yeah.
Really.
Because I know before COVID they had Friday night pound nights quite a lot.
That stopped, didn't it?
Yeah, sadly. So it would be nice to see that again because we haven't actually done it on a Friday night, but we definitely go down to
I
that.
would go down.
Yeah. Anyways, yeah, we'll head back to the car then. Yeah, sorry, I need to end it. If you enjoyed this vlog, remember to leave a like and a comment and subscribe if you haven't done so. We've got loads coming up, as I say. We're at Blackpool Pleasure Beach next week and South Park, another great amusement
We
park.
will be able to eat and drink inside.
Finally, which is why we've held off Blackpool, because we love Blackpool, but we thought we'd wait until we can get inside the Velvet Coaster.
Exactly. We can have a couple of drinks after the park and stuff.
Yeah, exactly.
And I think as well it's such a long drive for Tom, isn't it? It's a bit pointless in coming just for the day.
Yeah, so stay tuned for those. Thanks for watching this vlog and see you next time.
Bye.